Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. If you're watching this, then you're watching our documentary of making mie gomak from Batak. Let us introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan.
Hello everyone, my name is Zafi.
Hello everyone, my name is Petra.
And hello everyone. My name is Farhan. I don't have a card yet. I'm a new student, but we can work with that. Let's get into the video. Okay, so for the first step, we are going to make them noodles. So let's check the process.
Hey Farhan, what brand will we use?
We will use the Cap Harimau brand. Mr. Jeb, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, sorry everyone for not explaining the boiling process enough. Shut up. We all know how to make boiling noodles, can we? So yeah, I'm just not going to explain it to you. Like has been about four. Shut up, Jumpy. So it's been 4 minutes and it's still going like this. So maybe we will wait another minute. Thank you. While we wait for the noodles to completely boil, we will play rock paper scissors. Alan, Javi, you can go.
Batu gunting kertas. Batu gunting kertas.
Hey, Alan is the winner. Javi is the loser. Okay, everyone. So from here on now, I'm just going to use voiceover because the place was really loud at Javi's home. So yeah, this is the clip where we chop up some red onions, white onions, and some other things that we need to make the gomak. So y'all can enjoy the process. And this is the thing we have been chopped up. This is the andaman pepper, and this is the chili. There's some red onions, there's some white onions, some turmeric, and some ginger. I can't tell the difference between turmeric and ginger, so sorry about that. I can't really tell the difference. So yeah, that's all the things that we will use to make broth of the gomak. Okay, let's put some oil in there and blend all things that we had been chopped up from earlier. Put it on the pan. We had already been put some more oil there, and then we can stir it up for, I don't know, some seconds, as you can guess, and then later we can add some lengkuas. Let's skip to that part. Then we can put in the lengkuas for that some authentic flavor that we had been waiting for, and this is just pretty much the stirring up process. Yeah, that's really good. After that, we can add some coconut cream. Yeah, this is the secret to the beautiful taste of migoba. Yeah, this thing will not as good if we don't put the coconut cream. So we can stir it up real good with this. And for the cherry on top, we can add some salt. And then for the last thing, we can add some roiko. This will make the taste more delicious. And so yeah, voila, that's it. You got migoma. That's the migoma and 2 eggs. Then we had the broth. This is a pretty bad looking picture that I take at school because yeah, we don't really have the chance to have a photo with it. So yeah, that's our documentary of making migoma from bata. Hello everyone, this is Farhan Steman. I am from my house right now currently. So yeah, thank you for watching our documentary of making migoma from bata. So maybe you are in the later day will be also interested in making migoma. So yeah, I couldn't thank you more, and I think that's it. We reached the end of the video, and thank you for watching everyone, and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.